on function number 4. Your primal mind is your personal radar. Primal mind is constantly, even including now, always scanning for information to detect pain, danger, threats, and attacks. It is also fulfilling your needs. Being your personal radar is here to fulfill your needs and check in with conscious and unconscious survival questions. And these survival questions is just something simple as, is it something I like? Is it something I hate? Hurt me? Will it benefit me? Do I know this? Let me give you an example. Let's say you have someone giving you away furniture, and that person says to you, hey, you can take this furniture. I don't use it. Or you may say, well, I actually don't need it, and I don't have the space. And this person will say to you, yeah, but it would cost me to remove it, so please take it. Notice how the conversation is driven by each party trying to fulfill their need. I don't use it. And you may say, I actually don't need it, and it will cost me. So you can realize how each party is trying to fulfill their needs.